Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the TransferGo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the account section, just click on the language button. And as you can see, these are the language options that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.